Have you ever noticed that the same money buys less every year? $100 used to feel like a lot. Now it barely gets you anything. That silent problem? It's called inflation. And if you don't understand it, it slowly makes you poor. What is inflation? Inflation means prices go up over time. That's it. Food becomes more expensive, rent goes up, everything costs more. But your money stays the same. So your money becomes less powerful. Here's the simple example. Let's say today a burger costs $5. Next year, it will cost $6. Your money didn't change? That's inflation. Same money, less value. Why inflation happens? There are a few simple reasons. More money in the system, higher demand for goods, higher production costs. When more money is chasing the same things, prices go up. How inflation affects you? Inflation affects you every day. Your groceries cost more, your rent increases, your savings lose value. Even if your money sits in the bank, it's slowly losing power. How to beat inflation? You don't beat inflation by saving only. You beat it by growing your money. Options like investing, building income, increasing skills. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation. Why time matters? Inflation works slowly, but consistently. Over years, it makes a big difference. That's why starting early matters. The longer you wait, the more you lose. Common mistake? Most people keep money sitting idle, don't invest, ignore inflation. And over time, they wonder why money feels tight. How to create simple strategy. Here's the simple plan. Understand inflation, don't rely only on savings. Invest regularly, think long-term. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. What is the real truth? Inflation is always happening. You can't stop it, but you can prepare for it. People who understand inflation protect their money. Others slowly lose it. Now here's the real question. Is your money growing or shrinking without you noticing?